So folks, a quick look today at this Sonax Polymer Net Shield. I've been using this probably for about 10 years or so. And so this is a good sealant that you can apply after you've finished doing a car wash, or you've done waxing, polishing, whatever steps, clay barring, whatever steps you've gone through to get a nice smooth surface. So now you want to kind of put like an additional sealer or protectant on it. This is where this comes into play. So once I finish with all those different steps or whatever I'm doing, I'll go ahead and I'll put this on. This is, I don't think, really intended for like a dirty surface or anything like that, like some of the quick detailer products and stuff. This is more for after you've done all the different cleaning and protection stuff. So keep that in mind with this. I believe the main ingredient in this is silicone, and there's other stuff in there as well. But pretty much it's designed to be kind of a polymer paint sealant. And they say it lasts up to about 6 months protection. You'll definitely notice it for the first month or two. Water will beat up and go flying right off the car pretty easily. But it is a thing, like over time, I find like whenever I go through and do a nice thorough clean and my surface is totally clean, I'll come back and I'll put this on. To apply it, I'll give you a quick demo real quick, but not all that hard. One of the things that I've done in the past, it kind of depends kind of how I'm going with it. If I want to do like a really intense kind of, exact detail, I will use an applicator pad. You don't necessarily have to do that. Just spray it lightly on the surface, and then you can come back with a microfiber towel, wipe it down. However you want to do it. If you want to make sure every little millimeter is covered, then applicator pad. Spray it on the surface, use the pad to spread it around, and then wipe it dry with a towel, and pretty easy. So let's take a look at it. So we've got a nice surface here, and where we have already clay barred it, we've waxed it, of course, we've washed it previously. So now we're going to go ahead and put our Sonax Polymer Net Shield on. And so one thing you want to do is definitely give it just a good shake, make sure it's all shook up there. And then we're just going to give, like, you don't have to like overdo it with this. Basically just give like a little spritz, and that should be about all you need. You don't need like an excessive amount of product really for this. And just give it a buff, and that's about all it takes really. Just give it a good buff, and already I can kind of see that it's kind of accented the shine a little bit, and the surface has changed. If for some reason it feels a little bit dry, you can just give it like another little spray there, and that should be good enough because the towel's kind of dry. But yeah, that's about all there is to it there. So just give it a good little buff there with the towel, and there you go. Pretty easy. Any other like spots that you kind of see? A lot of times what I'll do is I'll pull the car back out into some more light, or I'll hit it with a light. I've got like a microfiber light, not a microfiber light. I got a light here. I got a light here, and so I can kind of go over the paint and make sure that there's not any spots or anything like that that are missing. But let's have kind of a close-up look here, and yeah, you can see how shiny it is. It comes out pretty well. So anyways, folks, definitely check out this Polymer Net Shield here. Pretty good product. Been using it now for years, like I said, and works really well and does a fantastic job. So it's just a nice product to use after you've gone through and you've done all your polishing, waxing routine, just to go ahead and put this on. I would say it should take no more than an hour to do your car. If you're pretty fast, you can do it a lot faster than that. But usually I just kind of take my time with it, and all that typically takes me maybe an hour. But like I said, I've done it in a lot less. So just depends on how quickly you kind of want to go with it. Anyways, definitely check this out. Give this a go, and y'all have a good one.